What's up, Astro Safari enthusiasts? When I first started restoring this van, a video showing all ground locations would have been very helpful. It's never too late to make one, and sometimes your electrical issues can be traced down to a bad ground. I will be showing 17 ground locations. This is for the 1997. Your model year may differ. Here's the first one, G100. It is located on the passenger side, right next to the overflow tank. Your front and rear windshield washer pumps get their ground from this location. G101 and G102 are located on the driver's side. These are battery grounds, very important grounds. Make sure they're clean. The bottom one there is G101 and G102. G103 is another battery ground. It is located on the bottom of the right-hand side of the engine. Right-hand side being the passenger side. You're going to have to crawl under the vehicle, and it is located right next to your crankshaft position sensor. Right there. Here's the battery cable. And the ground is on the bottom of this bolt, or this nut. On top of that sits a metal bracket that holds this wiring harness. And I'm definitely going to have to clean this ground out. It's a mess. G104 is located on the passenger side above the blower motor. It provides ground for the starter enable relay, fuel pump relay, AC compressor, AC low pressure switch, and all O2 sensors. That's right, that ground in that location provides ground for all those components. G105 is located on one of the thermostat housing nuts. This provides ground for your instrument panel, MAP sensor, and ICM. Back on the driver's side, we have G110. It is located above the battery. This provides ground for the front wiper motor / module. G108 is located under the vehicle next to the evap vent valve. Right here. This provides ground for the fuel pump. G106 and 107 are accessed by removing the doghouse. They are located on the left-hand side of the engine. That's the driver's side. They both share the same bolt. G107 provides ground for the ICM, and it provides another ground for the instrument panel. Now, this list of grounded components is not all inclusive. I pieced it together by looking at wiring diagrams. Now, for example, one of those is G106. And I did not find G106 in any of the wiring diagrams, so I don't know what it provides ground for. Let's move on to the body grounds. Since my van is a high top, the panels are a bit different. So I found a van at the junkyard to help finish this video. G200 is located in the passenger side kick panel. You remove 3 7mm bolts. And then you have access to the 2 Phillips screws. After removing them, take off the cover. And there's your ground. G300 is located in the driver's side kick panel. You don't have to remove the top cover. Just remove 2 Phillips head screws. Slide this guy forward, bend it, and your ground is right there. G300. G401 and G403 are located in the passenger side D-pillar. Remove 2 Phillips heads. Disconnect the speaker. And both of them are in one bolt. G401 and 403. Both of them share the same bolt. G401 and G403. G400 is located in the driver's side D-pillar. Remove this cover with 2 Phillips screws. Disconnect the speaker. Loosen the cover on the top. And then you can pull this vent to the side. Now you can see the ground from the other side. The last two, G301 and G404, are gonna be kind of tricky to get to. First, you want to remove this. And then you can pull this cover back. And you're gonna access them from the top over here. So now we come up here and pull this back. We can see G404 right there. That is for the rear AC. This van does not have auxiliary heating, meaning it does not have a G301. G301 would provide ground for the rear heater blower motor. It would be located a couple of feet east of this ground. And that's it. I did find a few grounds that I need to clean. I hope you learned something. Have a good day.